What's up, guys? And today we're going to be playing, well, not playing. This time I think we're going to be mixing up, because I didn't make a Scratch video since when this channel started. So, yeah. Okay, so the challenge for this video is to be making a game in Scratch 2. Now, I'm going to try to use it like Scratch 2 because in Scratch 2 there was no vector, so I'm going to try to use bitmap at all times in the costume editor, as well as I'll have to use Scratch 2 blocks. I won't touch any of my my add-ons at all. I won't touch any of them, only the ones that were used in Scratch 2. And my blocks, they look exactly like how my blocks used to look back in Scratch 2. Exactly like it. So this is pretty nice. Let's see. So we have all this, and yeah, this upload sprite, surprise, paint, choose a sprite, yeah. So let's do, yeah. So first of all, we need a game idea. What about like now so many games to choose from. I think let's just do a Flappy Bird ripoff or something. Okay, so let's delete you. Yes. Let's choose a sprite. Let's see if they have a witch. Actually, you know what? If they do, you know what? I'm just going to be using a chick, because you know chicks can fly, right? I think so. So let's just have the chick start at these coordinates. Yeah. You have to come to 0. And you 0. There we go. So events, right? I'm just so used to yellow being events, and yeah, this thing. Okay, I'll just have to get used to this dark color then. Okay, so if we move the bird here, it will automatically. Oh yeah, I forgot. We're still in vector, so let's just convert all of these to bitmap. Oh yeah, I don't need you, so I'll just delete, and yeah, bitmap. So now we're in bitmap. Check A. You know, let's just name you Chick. Yeah, very creative name. I know. Anyway, so now we could just drag him anywhere on the stage at all, and then when we click the green flag, he will always come here. That will be very useful for later on in the game. Okay, so what I want is that I actually didn't think of it. Okay, so after this, we need something. Ooh, buildings. Yeah, I'm just going to use some of the presets here. Actually, hold up. Yeah, some of these are actually very good. I just don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. I definitely don't want you. You look good. I don't want you. You don't look good, no. No. Nah. Okay, this is the winner. Oh yeah, I forgot to convert to them. This is the winner. I know I could have probably just put together something like this. Let's just call it obstacle. Why do I know how to spell obstacle? Oh. You know what, let's just call it building. Why do we keep on forgetting? Singular S now. Chick building. Chick building. Yeah. Okay, so now that we have this, let's... Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me just get to... Yeah, I forgot. You know what? Let's just not use cleanup plus. Let's just don't use cleanup plus. I won't use cleanup blocks. That's all. Because in Scratch 2, there were less of these options. There was only like duplicate, add comment, and help, I think. Oh yeah, there was delete block as well, but that's pretty much useless. Yeah. So after we do this, why is this going so slow? I feel like I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but the entire new, editor, it looks so intimidating. Like, it looks like I'm looking at something completely different to what I'm used to. And that is the case. That is the case. I just feel like I'm just starting out. Oh god. Delete. Actually, what? I don't need a variable. Okay, forever. If. Where is this? Yeah, sensing. At least this is the same color. Except darker. So if mouse down or space key pressed, I want it to be, stretchable. I mean, not stretchable, but you know what I mean. I think. So you can either use. Alright, so I'm just going to change Y by this, by 10. I have absolutely no idea how I'm supposed to code in gravity, because then again, I have never done gravity in my entire life. On this platform, I've never done gravity. So, I honestly have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I use cleanup blocks plus, without even knowing. Why did I do that? Anyway, I am wondering. Okay, so when I click this, okay, good. So another one. When green flag clicked forever, you're going to be changing your position -5. We don't want it to be too fast nor too slow. Okay, I think this is good enough. Yeah, I think this is good enough. Good enough for something made by a person that has absolutely no idea what they're doing. Okay, good enough. Anyway, I've been one, and I just did it again, bro. I just did it again. Remember, there was no cleanup. Or at least I don't think that was a clean. I wasn't born then. I was not born then. I just searched it up. That's how I know how to do this. I just searched it up. That's all I did. I honestly have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Because I've never done a Flappy Bird clone. I mean, I did once, but that was such a disaster, I just decided to not publish it. I think I did end up publishing it by accident, but then I deleted it. Yeah, anyway. Why is it taking so long and I only have, like, 2... Let's do this faster. I want you to turn... Okay, so... You know what, let's just do a montage. Alright guys, so after about 24 minutes, that's about half an hour it's taking to make this one game. Half an hour. Yeah, so after about half an hour, I have this. The death mechanics don't even work yet. I don't even have any death mechanics. All I have is the chick, the building. Yeah, it's very funny. It's funny how I could just drag this wherever I want. Okay, so guys, I might just end this recording because of how long this thing is taking. Like, imagine editing me having to edit an hour-long footage. That would be pain for future me. Okay, so when it touches respawn building, so it will respawn the building all the way back here. We have to actually hold up. Let's randomize this thing a little bit. And yes, this is vector. This is vector. I converted it to vector before I started editing this building. Yes, I did. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this, but I'm going to rename this building up. This is going to be building down. See what I'm doing here? Alright, so I'm just going to select this building, hold down shift. Oh, God. So it doesn't work in Scratch 2, bro. So I just have to eyeball it. Okay, so I just have to eyeball it. Yeah, I did it pretty fair, I guess. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take the looks and have this building be randomized. Pick random 1 and 2. So that randomly it will just switch between the costumes whenever you respawn the building. Oh yeah, and that has to happen at the beginning as well. So you don't get the exact same building each and every single time. Ah! 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 It kind of suck if this tiny hair or a little bit of your feet touched the building, or your beak or something touched the building a little bit, and then you got instant game over. Yeah, that would kind of suck. Like, for example, if my hair touched the building. Yeah, that would kind of suck. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Chick. This is going to be a little bit more advanced. And what I'm going to be doing here is adding a Chick hitbox. Chick hitbox. So, instead of this, I'm just going to paint this entire thing red where I want it to be hitting. Okay, so now I have both of them. Okay, so basically we have officially reached the half-hour mark. Well, in the raw recording. Editor me is probably going to have a lot of pain editing this. Or I just might get lazy and not edit it at all. But I have to, because I'm pretty sure nobody's going to be willing to watch an hour-long video. Unless it's like an animation or a movie or something. But I don't make those. I make mini movies. Which are like movies, but only a few minutes long or more. Like half an hour. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Exposition. Y position. I'm just so used to my add-ons. Chick X and Chick Y forever do this. And now I'm going to grab Chick X, put that there, and Chick Y, put that there. So now, oh God, what am I doing wrong? It was being me and being stupid. So it's just going to work now. See? Forgot. Duplicate. Picture. Okay, so I just have to do this entire thing all over. Just because of me being stupid. Yeah, I'll trim the rest later. Okay, so I'm just going to trim this bit up here, trim this bit down here, trim this bit down here, trim. There you go. See? So Chick hitbox. Yeah. See? So I'm going to do. This thing is just going to work now. See, my hack would have worked if I just had remembered to do the. Okay, right. I'm just so. If I only remembered that I had to put the forever loop. That's a very rookie mistake. Why did I make that? Why did I make that mistake? See? Oh! Yeah, this is fun. It is fun. But one thing. I accidentally used one of my add-ons. See. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, and this practically 1 hour long recording, it's time to make the death messages. I mean, not. It's time to make the death. Yeah. See you on the other side.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so I just made a few modifications to make it chirp when if if the hitbox is touching it. Let's see. My legs will touch it. Nothing happens. So it's basically going to keep on chirping. It's going to play the sound chirps. Like, see? So my legs can touch it. Like, see, my legs can touch it. If the hitbox touches it, then. Alright, so time to go back to coding it, but properly, with a proper death message. I will see you on the flip top. I don't think anybody says that anymore. Okay, well, I'll see you in, well, a few seconds for you, but probably a few more half hours for me. Alright, almost 1 hour. Very good game. And I completely lost at my own game. Alright. I will send you guys the link to this. Yeah, I'll send you to this game in the have pinned, like one comment pinned in the description, me commenting on about the link or something. I'm not sure, but description in this video. Check the description below. You might find the link. If it's not in the description, it might be pinned in the comment section below in the description. Yeah, that's about it for this video. It's basically an hour now, so I'm just gonna end the video, and I'll see you next time.